So this will be a project where you will be building your resume. We'll look into creating, structuring your resume. The goal of a resume is to get them interested enough to start a conversation. From there, it's on you to speak intelligently about the things you have done. So don't treat the resume as the catch-all repository of your whole life. It's more of a focused marketing tool designed to make you seem worth taking another look at. A developer's resume is an interesting thing because so much of your value is demonstrated from your projects, which live in your GitHub and are hopefully also deployed somewhere online. Despite this focus on projects, you can't ignore previous work experience or education. They are both important for showing the social proof that other people have worked with you before and you have met the standards for applying. It's difficult to come up with or find on the internet a standard resume type for a junior developer. Most of the ones out there aren't particularly inspiring. The keys to remember are the perspective of the hiring manager we talked about before. That person wants to hire a developer who is highly capable and can get shit done and will add value ASAP. The hiring manager will determine this criteria in less than 10 seconds at first glance based on where you have been educated, who's hired you before, and if you have got any really interesting projects that stand out. The hiring manager rapidly builds a story of who you are based on those headline items of your resume. If you are lucky, that high-level story will seem interesting enough for the hiring manager or HR person to look twice and actually read what you did at each job and then bring you in for an interview. Knowing that perspective, how can you play to it? It's difficult if you are breaking into a new industry. So you will need to emphasize relevant education, work experience, and projects in a way that crafts a story of drive and capability. What have you done that shows you are highly capable? Example, your technical chops, any recognition you have received, leadership of teams, and can get shit done. Example, interesting projects, open source contributions. So you need to include these in your GitHub projects and also write the code, refactor the code, prettify it, and also document it well. Remember, one page. So that is all you have, a one-page resume. This Career Toolbelt article lists 6 free resume builder websites on Career Toolbelt. Novo Resume also has a free tier with templates available as an alternate source. So this is a company which just works on building resume. Formatting could use some work, but here's an example resume from careercup.com. So look at this example. Let's look at this example together. So this is, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 points and those 12 highlight points. So how to make this 12 points and make it in a one page. Nice. Another great totally free resume builder is flowcv.io. So look at these resume builders. Optional, Getting Your Resume Read by Joel Spolsky. So this will be an interesting article by Joel Spolsky, Getting Your Resume Read. So you can go through this article. It has some good information. With that, we come to the end of this one. Let's move on to the next. Applying for web development jobs.